At Unity Concord International School, or UCIS in Chiang Mai, students from pre-K to grade 12 experience a future-ready education grounded in a strong American Common Core curriculum, innovative teaching, and a genuine focus on student well-being. UCIS is a place where children grow into confident, capable, and globally minded learners. Their signature STREAM program brings learning into life through coding, robotics, AI, 3D printing, Lego robotics, STEM racing, and sustainability projects, encouraging critical thinking, creativity, and real world problem solving. At the secondary level, students can pursue advanced placement courses and benefit from expanded learning opportunities through Edmentum, which provides access to a wide range of digital courses that support personalized learning and academic advancement. In addition, through their continued collaboration with Hudson Global Scholars, students are able to access specialized AP mathematics courses, including AP Calculus, AB and AP Calculus BC. Together, these partnerships allow UCIS to offer a broad selection of rigorous courses that support university preparation and future academic success. Beyond academics, UCIS nurtures leadership and global citizenship through athletics, MUN, TEDx, Duke of Edinburgh's Award, and sustainability initiatives such as Roots and Shoots, UN Global Schools, and Eco Schools member. And we're going to show their video right now as soon as I pull it up here. And so, without further ado, I give you Unity. The folks over at Unity also wanted to make sure that you understood that they also have a special offer that's going out there. And so I put it up there on the screen. It's similar to the other offers that you've heard. And so I just want to make sure that we recognize that it is available for all of those schools. So they have a 5% tuition fee discount that it starts from 5%. Oh, I think that's supposed to be 15%. They have additional 5% discount for siblings. There's a 50% discount on the entrance fee. And there's a 1 week free summer camp in 2026 or after school club program in 2026. There's also lucky draw prizes with Unity, and those prizes could be valued between 5,000 and 20,000 baht or an iPad Air.